Samsung Smart TVs don't natively support VPN apps, but you can still use a VPN connection with your TV by following one of these methods. Method number 1, set up the VPN on your router. This is often considered the best and most thorough method because it protects every device connected to your Wi-Fi network, not just your TV. When you configure a VPN directly on your router, all internet traffic from any device, your Samsung TV, your phone, your laptop, is automatically routed through the VPN server. Step 1. Check if your router supports VPN. Not all routers support VPN client configurations. You'll need a router that can run custom firmware like DD, WRT, or Tomato, or one that has built-in VPN client capabilities. Check your router specifications or the manufacturer's website. Step 2. Log into your router settings. Open a browser on your computer, type in your router's IP address, usually something like 192.168.1.1, and log in with your admin credentials. Step 3. Enter your VPN credentials. Find the VPN or WAN settings section. Enter the server address, username, and password provided by your VPN service. Save and apply the settings. Step 4. Connect your Samsung TV. On your Samsung TV, go to Settings, then General, then Network Settings, and connect to your VPN-enabled router like you normally would. Once connected, every device on that network, including your TV, is protected automatically. Method number 2. Share a VPN connection from your PC. This method turns your Windows computer into a virtual router. Step 1. Install a VPN on your PC and connect. Download any VPN app on your Windows computer and connect to a server. Step 2. Create a mobile hotspot. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then Mobile Hotspot. Turn it on and make sure it's sharing your active internet connection, the one running through the VPN. Step 3. Connect your Samsung TV to the hotspot. On your Samsung TV, go to Settings, then General, then Network Settings. Find the hotspot name from your PC and connect to it. Your Samsung TV will now access the internet through your computer's VPN connection, giving you a stable and secure streaming experience. Method number 3. Use a streaming stick with a built-in VPN app. This is the easiest option if you prefer using native VPN apps instead of workarounds. Step 1. Get a streaming device. Devices like the Amazon Fire TV Stick and most Android TV or Google TV devices let you install VPN apps directly from their app stores. Step 2. Plug it into your Samsung TV. Connect the Fire Stick or Android TV box to any HDMI port on your Samsung TV and connect it to your Wi-Fi. Step 3. Install your VPN app. Install your VPN directly from the Amazon App Store, NordVPN, Surfshark, ExpressVPN, and others all have Fire TV apps. Log in and connect to your preferred server. Step 4. Use the streaming device's apps. You'll need to use the Fire Stick's apps instead of Samsung's built-in apps for the VPN to apply. Launch Netflix, Prime Video, BBC iPlayer, or whatever service you want all through the Fire Stick. Method number 4. Smart DNS. Smart DNS is the simplest method, but it's not the most private. It doesn't provide full VPN encryption. However, it's the easiest way to bypass geo-restrictions on your Samsung TV. Step 1. Sign up for a VPN service that includes Smart DNS. Services like NordVPN include a Smart DNS feature that helps you bypass geo-restrictions and watch Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, Amazon Prime Video, and Disney+. Step 2. Register your IP address. Log into your VPN account on the provider's website and register your current IP address for Smart DNS use. Step 3. Change the DNS settings on your Samsung TV. Go to Settings, then General, then Network Status, then IP Settings. Change the DNS setting from Obtain Automatically to Manual, then enter the DNS address your VPN provider gave you. Step 4. Restart your TV. Reboot your Samsung TV. Once it's back on, try opening a geo-restricted app. If your DNS is correctly set, you should now have access.